sea fishing. Say hello, James. What's happening? So we're gonna catch some whiting, sea bass, and sea bream, aren't we? So Daddy's catching mackerel. Would you help him? So whilst I'm here, I prepared this ice cool box. We have some drinks in here, and we have ice cold water. Some drinks in here. I'll show you. There. Fanta, mineral water, Diet Pepsi, and my melon drink.
Wait a minute, where do I sit?
Do you want to sit?
Yeah. Where do I sit? I don't know where I sit.
There, just sit. Oh, you sit here. Sit in here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? So, yeah, we're here in the sea. Your diet, ano, use your banana drink. Give me the trash. You want to drink now your diet cherry? Yes? Okay, get it from the ice box. Dali. You know how can get it. Open this up. Take it from there. Seen it? Okay. Daddy's still fishing there. Mine's Coke.
But later,
Oh! Uh-oh. It's slippery.
How did that happen?
Nothing. Say hello to everyone.
Why did I do it?
Yeah.
Like, oh no!
Just put it there, James. It's slippery. Here's your banana if you want some, okay? While waiting for the fish. The weather here is very hot. So, but windy, so me and James had our jackets now. What are you eating? Is that your favorite fruit? Banana.
Yeah.
Okay. Can't wait to catch some fishes.
So,
Not clear in here at all.
No.
So what? What is the sea then?
Huh?
Is it windy?
It's
So
just a
all
bit
you can catch is what?
bass, whiting.
How long can we catch it? Like how many hours?
Well, I don't know. It's not very good. We'll go to Hyde, right?
Huh?
It's not very good. We'll go to Hyde. Just try and catch some.
It's like windy, isn't it? It's nice to catch a very fresh fish, isn't it?
I'm not necessarily going to go for bass. I'm going to go for whiting, and if a bass takes it, fine.
Well, people might see you catch bass. It's okay. Nobody's here anyway. Are you sure you don't have to lock the door?
Yes, he was.
Did you saw in the internet that people are catching whiting?
No, but there's big whiting about. It's just this time of year. I don't need to see the internet. I didn't really look at the beach reports, to be honest. I just looked at the fact there's mackerel about there, but that's irrelevant. It doesn't matter about any of that. Right, this is a 2 up clip rig. This is going to go.
Yeah.
The only thing is I haven't got the knife. I've only got this bird thing. I think the other thing nicer.
Ay, alay. James taking it so long? Mom? Told you? Maybe you went to the van?
Huh?
You just stay there, probably.
Better not be, but I don't know what he does.
I told you not to trust him.
He knows what to do.
Oh, he's here now. You find your, ano?
No!
What, James?
Because
Because maybe...
Not afraid of walking. Mamaya na lang. Hi, nandito na ako sa bahay. Napaka dark ng light ko. Anyway, James, put the lights on. Then sa taas ng ko. Now, sarap. Mayroon akong yung fish. Boto to eh. Ay! Wala hindi ako pinapansin. Yung lights yung sa taas
What light?
There, on the top.
What top? That?
Yeah, that one. You can do it. No! In here, in the top. Just go in the top in here.
Then what?
Just get that one. The white one. The side. Come on, click. It doesn't light in the other side. Yung other side doesn't. Oh, you have to turn that on first. I'm sorry. Yan.
There we go.
Sorry, namatay. Nandito ko sa bahay. Kumakain na. Meron ako ulo na. Yan. Paano ko pa ipakita sa inyo to? May hamburger pa nga ako dito. Sarap. Grabe. May hamburger. Sarap. Ulam ko. Ay, kasi kami sa bread. Kailangan ko kumain ng Coke. Coke talaga. Best. Tsaka itong ulo. Ulo talaga nito. Sarap. Ay, mga sili. Kape. Ang paya, no? Ang paya. Of course, may ano? Look. May kimchi pa ako. May kimchi. Ay, shucks, bag. Kimchi. Kimchi. Tikman nyo. Kimchi ko. Dali lang. Grabe. Harap. Ito lang. Ang palaya. Ano ba?
itong ano, hamburger. Ah. Ako. Hop. Are we eating already, James? Actually, grabe. Itong ginataang isda ko. Ang sarap. Ang ginataang isda. Ulo. Itong ulo. Ay, grabe. Super duper. Nakatingin yung aso ko dito. Parang gusto niya kumain. Hindi siya pwede kasi sa fish eh. He's not. Sap na ganito. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng konting sili para medyo maanghang. Pero advice, mabuti wala na lang. Diba? Sarap. Sarap talaga. Ba to? Yung mga mata at yung mga gilagid. Nakain ko yan. Anong oras ba dito? Diyos ko. Midnight snack pa lang to. Oh. Grabe. Kumain na tayo. Diyos ko, nagugutom ako. Ang sarap ng ulo, no? At ang mga gilagid niya, kakainin nyo. Kain pa ako ng hamburger. Ayan. May hamburger pa ako. Hamburger. Gabi. Sarap. Naman ako ng cold water dyan. Ang lambot-lambot ng fish, oh. Yun yung pinaka-favorite ko, eh. Si James nakakain na yan. The best. The best in the West. Sarap. Ito yung isdang ayun yung super crunchy. Ang gabi talaga. Super duper. Ang mga utak nitong ano. Ang mga utak nito. Ito. Ang dami, oh. Ang dami yung mga laman-laman. Diba, pag kumakain kayo, ang palaya pa, oh. Ang palaya. Sisipin ko to, pati mata. Ito yung mata, oh. Yung mata ng isda. Ang sarap. Grabe, kinakain ko yan. Ang bituka. Ako yung bituka, hindi ko yung kinakain. Kasi, ay, naku. Nakakaano. Baka meron yung ano, mga disease. Charots. Ay, ng hamburger. Grabe may hamburger na. Tapos may ano. Ang sarap. Ang kimchi po. Hindi pa kumain na yan eh. What have you done? What have you eaten for dinner tonight? Busy yan siya sa kanyang iPad. Actually, gusto kong kumamay. Pero I'm here in my bed. So, kakamayin ko lang. Yung konti. Ang sarap. Grabe. Ay, naku. Ang bali mga ano nito. Ang sarap. Yung ginataang isda. Ay, naku. At danggit. Ay, naku, grabe. At may hamburger pa. Grabe. Sarap. May talong pa ako. At kimchi. Masarap talaga tong kimchi. Gusto ko yung mga laman ng... Actually, pag nagpapaksiw ako ng isla, ganito rin. Pero ito gata to. Salt lang siya. Ang sarap. Ang sarap talaga. Super. Super. Pino. I-refresh yung breath mo. Dito. The best in the West. Yan ba ito? Mga ulo. Ang sarap. Ito mga gilagid. Nakain ko yan. Ang sarap. Ang best part dito yung ulo. Tapos napakalambot talaga. At hindi ko yung overcook to. I don't overcook my food at all. Never, ever, ever, and ever. You know? Anyway, I think... You have my chocolates there, James, or cookies in there? Can you give me my cookies, please? No, there. In there, in the tin.
What tin?
There, in the tin box. Over there.
Skittles?
No, it's not Skittles. That one in the tin.
What tin?
That tin, that red tin.
The red one? I can't see.
The circle one.
Like that?
Yeah, that one.
In Skittles?
No, it's my cookies.
Cookies.
Thank you.
Oh.
Tapos na kumain. Thank you. Kain na yung dessert. My favorite. Buttered cookies. Favorite ko to. Gusto kong kumain ng maraming buttered cookies. Siguro mga 5 nito kakainin ko. The sensation, that cookie is the best. ever and ever and ever. Whatever. Wow. Parang pinahigit ko na. Masarap. Sarap talaga nito. Yung butter cookie talagang favorite ko eh. Ay! Super. Na-stress lang kasi ako kanina. Hindi kami nakahuli ng fish. Until we ended up naku, nakaya ito kumain. Mag-dessert na lang ako. Butter cookie. Ano? Masarap. Ang sarap-sarap. Napakasarap nito. Yum, yum, yum.
Beep, 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 beep.
Sarap. Anyway, wala na yung pagkain ko today. Water lang me today and Coke. Without any Coke, I can't survive. Anyway, bye and see you next time. See you later. Bye.